Are you looking for the ultimate way to turn your messy study notes into perfect flashcards and practice tests using Quizlet's AI in 2026? If so, you aren't alone. But today, we have to do things a little differently. Before we dive in, I want to be 100% transparent with you. We always aim to bring you hands-on, step-by-step tutorials by analyzing the latest live platforms. However, when we attempted to access and analyze the official Quizlet website for this video, we ran into a secure firewall block, specifically a just a moment security challenge. Because we couldn't bypass this automated security system to scrape the live layout, and because we currently have 0 verified user reviews in our database for their latest AI tools, we can't show you a live demo or give you a verified list of pros and cons today. We absolutely refuse to make up fake features, invent pricing, or give you generic advice that might not be accurate for 2026. But here is what you can do right now. If you want to see how their AI can transform your studying, head directly over to your browser and type in Quizlet.com. Because you are a real human and not an automated system, you'll easily pass their quick security check, set up a free account, and test out their latest document-to-flashcard upload tools yourself. Since we don't have verified user reviews yet, we want to hear directly from you. Have you tried Quizlet's new AI features recently? How well do they handle complex notes? Drop your honest experiences in the comments below so we can help each other out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more honest tech updates, and we'll see you in the next one.